Okay, this is a first time view unboxing of an awesome gift that my friend Erica has been waiting to give me for quite a few months. Erica and I are like the same kind of people when it comes to this stuff, so I'm really looking forward to seeing this. Oh, the suspense. And there's a little card. It's a kitty. I wanted to get you started on your stereo view collection. I went through mine and pulled out the doubles I had. I hope you enjoy them. Love always, your friend Erica. P.S. I'm adding you to the Stereo View group on Facebook. All right, awesome. Thank you. Oh, this is like right up my alley here. Oh, look at this. That's so ornate. Very cool. Okay, that's one piece. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, girly girl. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. It's like all fancy wrapped. Wow. I love this stuff. Wow. Very, very cool. Look at this. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, it's the Coliseum. I can't wait to do this. Awesome. Thank you so much, Erica. This is amazing. Too cool. I love it. Yay! All right, I'll have to do a video with pictures and stuff when this is put together. Thank you. I love it. Oh my God. So cool.